Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be cooking half moons, also known as moons. It is a savory that is shaped as a half moon, dipped in egg and breadcrumbs and filled with a creamy chicken. In a bowl, add 5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, about 20 to 30 grams of butter, and lukewarm water, and also 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir well and keep on adding water till the desired texture. The dough should be very soft, and when rolled out it should be very thin. After forming the dough into a bowl, cover with cling wrap and let it set for about an hour. The ingredients you'll be needing for the filling is 2 fillets, chicken fillets, 1 bell red pepper, 1 onion, 1 cup of sweet corn, 4 garlic cloves, 4 green chilies, and about a handful of green dhania. I also prepared bechamel sauce and I'll be sharing its recipe soonly in this video. To be making the bechamel sauce, you'll need 1 block of 100 grams of butter, pure butter, around 2 tablespoons of flour, and if you have 1 teaspoon of corn flour, mix it well so that the flour doesn't clump. Slowly add in milk while whisking so that the mixture doesn't clump. Grate in a block of cheese. You can use your desired cheese, either mozzarella, Gouda, or cheddar. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well, and once the sauce is of this thickness, then remove from the heat. Peel 1 onion, cut into half and dice into thin cubes. Half 1 red bell pepper and remove the seeds from the inside and dice into thin cubes. half a chicken fillet and cut into strips, then into cubes. In a grinder, grind the green chilies and also the garlic cloves. In a grinder, grind 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. In a grinder, grind 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil into it. Then add in your diced onions and the chili and garlic paste. Once the onions are caramelized, then add in the chicken fillets. Add in the red bell pepper. Add in the sweet corn. Cook for around 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Add in 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and the dhania and cumin powder that we've grinded. Cook for another 5 minutes till the spices incorporate into the mixture. Then add in the bechamel sauce that we've made in a pot, the full pot of sauce, so that it can be nice and creamy. Add in the bunch of coriander, dhania for garnishing, and let it cook till the leaves are properly cooked. In around 5 minutes, the mixture will be ready. Once the mixture is ready, let it cool down. Roll out the moon pastry dough and roll it out to a thin texture. Once dough is rolled out, use a big cutter to cut the dough like this. Take 1 pastry and 1 tablespoon of filling into the center and then close it half, and you can pinch the edges. If the edges are not pinching, then use flour and water to rub the edges so that it can close. Whisk 2 eggs and you can have 1 cup of breadcrumbs. You can always add in more if it's too little. Dip the moons in the egg first, then in the crumbs. You can make breadcrumbs at home by baking the bread in an oven and then in a grinder, grinding it until it's all crumbled up. Heat up oil and then fry the savories. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.